Hi everyone, welcome to NefisTV. Today I'm gonna show you a great way to use stale bread. First, break up the stale bread into small pieces and soak in 300 ml of water and mix until well combined. Add 2 eggs, 1 grated onion, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 cups of grated mozzarella, salt, ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, ground red pepper, thyme, mint, cumin, vegetable seasoning, some chopped fresh parsley and dill, and 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs. Then continue mixing. Take walnut-sized pieces from the mixture and shape them into patties. Drop the patties into hot vegetable oil and fry until golden brown on both sides. Delicious stale bread patties are ready to serve. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to leave a like, and if you haven't already done so, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!